Hola, welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to cook dry beans, habichuelas secas, cocidas. The Taino Indians cultivated the white beans, black beans, and red kidney beans. However, they preferred the red kidney beans because they were much larger and they cooked more rapidly. In our culture, we cook and stew a variety of beans that are served over white rice. The combination of rice and beans is considered a staple in the Puerto Rican cookery. For this cooking demonstration, we are going to cook dry red kidney beans and package them to be stored in the freezer for future use. Once you learn how to cook dry red kidney beans, you will be able to apply these cooking instructions to other types of dry beans. I have here 3 different brands of dry red kidney beans. Goya, Best Choice, Clearly Organic. Another brand that we use is La Preferida, but they were unavailable at the time I went shopping. Let's rinse and soak 1 pound of dry red kidney beans. Before we rinse the beans, I like to sort through the beans to remove any foreign particles like rocks, dirt, and beans that are split into pieces. Now we can rinse the beans with cold running water using a colander. Place the rinsed beans into a large bowl and pour 6 cups of water to cover the beans completely and soak the beans for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Soaking the beans will allow shorter cooking time and preserve the benefits of the minerals and vitamins. When you initially soak the beans, they become wrinkly as they start absorbing the water. After soaking the beans for 6 to 8 hours, the skin of the beans should be smooth. When the beans are smooth, they have absorbed the maximum water and are ready to be cooked. If not, it is an indication that the beans are too old and should not be used. You still might find 1 or 2 beans with wrinkles after soaking, and that is okay. Just remove them before rinsing. The red kidney beans have been soaking now for 3 hours, and they have a wrinkly or shriveled texture as the beans absorb the water. After soaking the dry red kidney beans for 8 hours, their volume increases as they absorb the water and their skin becomes smooth. Let's pour the water into the colander, and as you can see, the water is no longer clear. Let's give the beans another quick rinse. We can now add the soaked beans into a large pot and pour enough fresh water so that the water is at least 2 inches above the beans. Bring the water to a boil. The water is boiling, so reduce heat to medium-low. When cooking beans, I never add salt, but you can add salt according to your taste when the water is boiling. Cover pot with lid and cook until the beans are tender, approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. After 30 minutes of simmering, let's check the beans for tenderness. Yes, the beans are tender. If the beans are not tender, cover pot with lid and continue simmering, checking the beans every 15 minutes. I am going to turn off the induction cooker and allow the beans to cool so we can package them. When cooled enough to handle, I place the cooked beans with liquid into a large bowl. We are ready to package the cooked red kidney beans. You can either package them in quart-sized double-sealed plastic bags or plastic containers with lids. I prefer using the plastic bags for the beans. Using a ladle, carefully fill the plastic bag with cooked beans along with liquid. At least 7 to 8 scoops. Make sure you don't fill the plastic bag to the top. Seal the bag tightly and continue this process. I label and date the plastic bag before placing in the freezer. This is a small plastic container that holds at least 2 cups of cooked beans with liquid. Label and date the plastic container as well. Cover with lid and store in the freezer. When I want to prepare a recipe that calls for beans, I normally go to my freezer and pull out a bag of cooked beans instead of using canned beans because it is so much healthier and lower in sodium. Beans are a good source of protein and fiber. On the comment section of this YouTube video, I will share a link on how to prepare our stewed beans. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to cook dry beans. Habichuelas secas, cocidas. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.